Alright, welcome back everybody, girls and boys, for another unboxing video. This one is a wireless keyboard. Love life, love freedom. Definitely freedom. Operating voltage, let's get a little bit closer. Operating voltage 3.0 volts. Operating current 4 milliamps. RF output power 4 dBm max class 2. Operating distance up to 10 meters. Class 2 to class 2. Input and impedance 50 ohms. Wireless keyboard. Alright, let's look at the back. Wireless keyboard. It's white. They have rose red, silver, black, gray, blue, green, peacock blue. Tablets, cell phones, and PCs. Laptops. Well, not laptops, PCs. My bad, my piece. Alright, so let's open it up. See what's going on. Let's see. Oops, sorry about that, my piece. I hit the leg. I'm still getting used to this tripod, that's why. Ay, ay, ay. Bum pa bum 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 ba bum. Ba-dum pa bum 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 ba bum. Alrighty then. It's upside down. Oh no, we're right. Woohoo! Check it out. Dun, 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 dun. Alrighty. Nice. It's nice and slim. And nice and light. Plastic. This Suda. Oh, it doesn't want to stay. Alright, just trying to keep it for the background. So look, it's nice and thin. Let's read the back. Check out the back. So it has a little on and off switch. It has a little connect button. As for your batteries, which most likely is, what is it? AA has for 2 of them. 2 AA. Okay, wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Model number BKZ001. This device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules operation and subject for the following 2 conditions. This device. 1. This device may not cause harmful interference. 2. This device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. This device and its antennas must not be co-located or operating in conjunction with any other antenna or transmitter. For home or office use. That's it, repeat. So it's has little rubber grommers right here, so it won't slide. That's it. It's nothing fancy. Has a little battery indicator since it's wireless. You know what would have been fucking badass, my piece? It would have been USB. Yeah, it sucks that I just realized that it's batteries. I'm gonna have to use batteries for this. That kind of sucks. Well, it's temporary. It's temporary. Eventually, I'll get one that is USB and RGB and super badass. You know what I mean? But this will do. This will do, my peeps. So we're gonna put it to the test. Hopefully, it does justice. You know what I mean? It does some justice. Oh, let's look at the manual real quick. User manual. Wireless keyboard. So it says connect, power switch, the battery. Low voltage indicator, connect indicator. Put batteries in. AAA, 2 pieces. Oh, it's AAA. My bad. Alright, so starting Bluetooth keyboard for Mac systems. Ooh. Alright, if this is for Mac, I don't know if I'll be able to use it for mine. If not, I'll return it. You know what I mean, my peeps? So yeah, so here's the steps, how to go about it. Starting Bluetooth keyboard for Android system. Okay. And then okay, there you go. So it's cool. Starting Bluetooth keyboard for Windows OS systems. So that's for me. Alright, my peeps, so that's it, man. I'm gonna put it to work. Hopefully it helps me out and I could work longer, because the other one consumes too much wattage. I have to unplug it. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it, and stay tuned for the next one. Alright, everyone. Like, give it a smash that thumbs up button. Smash it. Bam. Alright, and like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future upcoming videos. Alright, my peeps? Alright, everyone. Peace, love, and health. Laters.